Maria Socorro Hashim Ledesma, born March 16, 1955, is a Filipino singer and actress, regarded for a sophisticated and distinctive vocal style of OPM. Ledesma established herself as one of the most influential and enduring figures in the Philippine music industry with a career spanning over 40 years. Ledesma is famed both for her style and commanding stage presence. In 1989, Ledesma was the first Filipino artist to win the coveted Salem Music Award, affirming her international standing. In 1997, she released her U.S. debut album, Precious, featuring songs written by celebrated artists Kenny Loggins and Michael McDonald. The album achieved commercial success, making the top 20 on the U.S. Billboard Jazz charts. The American music database AllMusic praised Ledesma as one of the best singers in the Philippines, underscoring her global presence. Ledesma is also an entrepreneur, founding the Music Museum, an iconic concert venue in the Philippine music scene. From its establishment, the Music Museum had hosted performances by some of the country's biggest stars, including Sarah Geronimo, Lee Salonga, and Regine Velasquez. Through her career, Ledesma had received numerous accolades, including the Polita Corrales Lifetime Achievement Award at the 12th PMPC Star Awards for Music Singer of the Year at the 2020 Tagawad Bahay Awards, Lifetime Achievement Award at the 2020 Aliw Awards, Dangle NG Musikang Filipino Award at the 25th Awit Awards. The awards recognize her outstanding contributions to original Filipino music and legacy as one of Asia's most successful pop icons. Personal life. Ledesma was married to Lucito Luis Gonzalez, a grandson of Elpidio Quirino, President of the Philippines from 1948 to 1953. Gonzalez's mother, Victoria Quirino Gonzalez, daughter of the former president, married the shipping magnate Francisco Delgado, a widower. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.